We develop this web of beliefs, thoughts and emotions, and we create all these images, and these images create our personality and the personality of others. We have thoughts about others. We label them. We tag them with this. That person is this, and that person is that. Until one day we realize that all these images have nothing to do with our truth. They're simply our perceptions, our assumptions, and our external reflections or projections.
Exactly. You said it so rightly. A lot of times in my life, I felt that I was carrying a bag of stones in my back, walking around. And here comes a moment of aha. And I said, this is it. I had enough with life. I'm going to live lightly. So I'm literally going to take those stones out and put them on the floor. And now I'm going to be living lightly, doing a lot of little things with great love. So awareness in the three parts is an incredible experience that anybody can do out there. You don't need a psychologist. You don't need anything. You just need to be able to make the first step, take the first step, and then all the three parts will work together and create an experience of beauty and joy of what used to be dark and without any light.
Interesting you should mention that phrase, living lightly. The first time I used that phrase, people were looking at me and they were saying, yeah, we're really overweight in America. I'm thinking, you're not getting what I'm saying here at all. It takes a lot of practice to step into awareness quickly when we're triggered. We only have 6 seconds to stand in that place of awareness before we become so overwhelmed with our intense emotions and start acting out our habitual patterns, defending our views, our rightness, defending our territory. Staying open allows us to relax in the midst of any of that emotional upheaval and really see it and appreciate it for what it is. It's just a story. It's not who we are. How we experience this openness depends on how aware we are.